You know what I love most? Those perfect trading sessions when I score 3 good trades in a row, and if you watch our videos regularly and follow our Telegram channel, you know that it doesn't happen that rarely. Still, it may be very hard to do when the markets are volatile and unpredictable. So, how to keep calm when the markets aren't, and what's the right way to act? Stay with me if you want to know. Alright, here I am trading this AUD CHF, and it's clearly trading in a downtrend. Even though the market is trading rough, generally speaking, and on these stretches in particular, you can still recognize its main movements. So we see the price moving in this range until it meets the support. And now, having tested it, the market should break the support and continue going down. I know this because of the magged volumes. The buy volumes, as you can see, aren't moving up. So I go for a 10-minute put option here and share the signal in our Telegram channel. By the way, if you don't want to get trapped trading in a volatile market, make sure you follow it. Every day we post important news and warn you when the markets are volatile. Meanwhile, I'm waiting for my option to expire, watching the struggle between the bulls and bears, and the latter do help us turn a profit, even despite spikes like this. Alright, on to the next trade then. That's a very interesting situation here, and more importantly, it's one that I see fairly often when the markets are volatile. And here's the point. In conditions like these, support and resistance levels may change very often. Look here, that's the resistance. Clear as day. See the struggle here in these zones? The candlesticks are huge, and the price is going up and down like crazy. But of course, knowing its limits, the range in which it trades, we can predict where it's gonna move and capitalize on that, right? So I enter the market with another 10-minute put when the price is at the resistance level. Looks like a good entry point, especially considering that our stochastic lines are moving down towards the oversold zone. Except for, as I said earlier, support and resistance tend to be less reliable when the markets are volatile, and that's exactly what's going on here. At first, the price is moving right where we want it to, but then out of nowhere it just skyrockets, breaching through the resistance, and then it starts falling just as fast, but it doesn't go low enough for us to turn a profit before our option expires. So be careful not to get caught in a trap like this. Alright then, move on to the next one. And here's another reason why I don't like trading in volatile markets. Here, the struggle becomes so clear that we don't even need to look at the indicators. Just look at this stretch. The price first flew into the sky and then started moving ever so slowly with huge shadows. I guess it's just obvious that we should go short here. But before I do anything, I want to check a longer time frame, and yes, the market is trading in a downtrend, and yes, it's close to the resistance. Indicators too have stayed in the overbought zone for quite some time, so this looks like a good entry point for a 10-minute put. And of course we double the value following the martingale system. Now we wait. And nice! Well done. Now one turned a profit. Here's a very similar situation with a GBP-USD pair. Even though the market doesn't seem to be trading in a trend at all, moving up and down almost chaotically and breaking the resistance in the process, we can switch to a longer time frame and see what's actually going on there. And the market's actually trading in a clear downtrend. And it did reach the resistance. Our indicators also confirm our analysis, predicting a rebound. So that's another 10-minute put for me. All this volatility makes me really anxious. And then the last, final candlestick closes on the right side for us. What a trade! Alright, I suggest we call it a day. I don't want to push my luck further, especially with such a nice profit for the day. So, here's the moral of the story, I guess. Be extremely cautious when trading volatile markets. Check if there are any news that can affect the market or some other instability, and do it before you start trading. And of course, don't forget to analyze everything thoroughly, using all the instruments and information you can get. And with that, it's time to end this video. See you very soon, and as always, stay safe and be in touch.